It's Matt at eFlexFuel here, and we're back at Aspirated Motorsport and Dyno. We've got the Jeep Wrangler strapped down today. This Jeep's running our eFlexPlus E85 kit on the Pentastar 3.6 liter naturally aspirated V6. We're going to be comparing E85 performance to gas performance, absolutely zero tuning. We're going to let eFlexPlus do all the work automatically, just swapping fuel. That's right, we do kits for 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder, 10-cylinder. You can even flex a V12, make more power on E85. Shout out to the guys, Aspirated Motorsport and Dyno, AM Dyno. Great shop, great guys. If you're in the LA area, check them out. Now this Jeep owner brought the vehicle in with an E30 blend. What that means is they had a little bit of E85 still in the tank and they filled up the rest with gasoline, which is E10. The gains going from an E30 to an E85 are not going to be as big as if you went from gasoline to E85. But still, let's swap fuel here, get pure E85 in there, see what horsepower and torque numbers it does. This Jeep's got big wheels and tires. That unsprung weight is zapping horsepower and torque. You want to get as much of that back as you can. eFlexPlus and eFlex Pro with E85 will do that across the power band. Let's see what the numbers say. 10-wheel horsepower, 10-wheel torque across a good amount of that power band. That's horsepower you can feel. You could feel that from a dig. Gains would have been even bigger if you were going from pure gasoline to E85. Check it out, eFlexFuel.com.